Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we're going to run Alpha 1 iBot. Is a free binary option robot that you also can run completely free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you will find a promo code that gives you 100% on your first deposit. Okay? And only by using my link can you make a deposit minimum $100 compared with $250 normal. Else also only by using my link will you see my robot when you log in. Okay, so let's start up this amazing robot and see how much money we can make in this video. But before we do that, push that subscribe button if you have not done so already, and also make sure you push the like button, and if you have any question, put them below the video. So let's start up this amazing robot.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we take. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Run away, run away, run Getting stronger every day. Through the bullets and the flames, but the fire's in your eyes, and there's no place left to hide. You got nowhere to run away. No, you got no.
And just like that. Of course, I wish there were a little better percent than 20% on Ethereum right now, but still, we made $400. That's money too. So with that, if you want to run this robot also, you can. Link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.